Let's add some string lights to our home. These can be added anywhere, for example, a house, garden wall, patio, and so much more. Click the Utilities tab and then click String Light. I find it easiest to add these in Plan View. However, you can add them in Perspective View too. Left-click to place points and right-click to place the last point. If you know the specific distance between points, press the Enter key on the keyboard and enter in the distance. For this example, I'm going to add lights to the front of the house on the garage and second level. Use the slider to adjust the elevation or manually enter in the height. The elevation tool will move the entire string. To adjust one point, select the point you wish to edit and left-click the green arrow. These sliders will help further customize the light emitting from the string lights. Use this drop-down menu to select the on time. Click here to customize the cord color. Make your selection and then click OK. This slider can be used to set the spacing between lights, or you can manually enter in the amount. There are several bulb types to choose from, and you can have between 1 and 5 different colors. Click on each color, make your selection, and then click OK. Choose your effect, or select none if you would like the lights to stay solid. Adjust your effect speed and offset time here. Now you can create beautiful string lights to enhance your landscape design. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out ideaspectrum.com for more videos and information about our software.